Hey guys, so I am so excited about filming this January subscription box from Cloth and Paper. I just received it in the mail, so I thought I would do an unboxing and yes, like a reveal. So I actually did not look inside, so I have no idea what is included in this month's box. So let's get started. So when you first open it up, you get this card. It says you get horizontal weekly inserts, half-page monthly inserts, purchase tracker inserts. If you hear my dogs barking in the background, I'm sorry. Purchase tracker inserts, paint swatch dashboard, magazine cover dashboard. Another dashboard, appointment sticky notes, appointment notepad, minimal task set, and journal cards. So it looks like a really good box this month. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. So first thing that says love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Next thing is this really pretty dashboard. It says, may your streets be paved with gold, just over and over again. That's so pretty. Love that. Then you have, there's luxury and simplicity, so love that as well. Oh, this is really pretty. This says, 2021, a dream written down with a date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Love that. An appointment notepad. That looks really cute. You get a decent amount. And with these, you can actually, if you're using the mini Happy Planner size, you can just hole punch them and just stick them in there and use it for scratch paper. So, love that. Then you have these appointment sticky notes. So these are really cute. It says date, time, where, who, why. Yes, Mama. And the next thing in here is the horizontal undated Monday start graph notes priority weekly memo. Mini Happy Planner size. Then you have these half pages. Ooh, this is really cute. Purchase tracker. I wish this would have come with like a little checkbox thing to be like, oh, you know, you received it and you actually got it. Oh, this is really cute. These are AM and PM note cards. And these little what are these things called? Journaling cards. Yeah, journaling cards. So, very cute. I guess this is... Let's see what they look like. So this one says, be thankful for what you have. This one says, well, I guess this is for the month of March. And then you have this journaling card and this one. So very cute. And that's just the tissue paper. So again, to recap, you got the 4 journaling cards. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the AM/PM task cards. Then we have the appointment notepad. Then we have the appointment sticky notes. What's the next one? Okay. This says, this is the Trio dashboard. This one says, this looks like this is the magazine cover dashboard. This one looks like it's the paint swatch dashboard. The purchase tracker inserts. The half-page monthly inserts. And the horizontal weekly inserts. So I guess I can just open these up just to kind of get an idea of what these look like. Let's see. So, ooh, this is so pretty. This is really good if you want to keep track of habits. I think it's very cute. There's just a lot of versatility in having these types of inserts. So there you go. There you go. And it just repeats. Yeah. So I think you probably get like, sorry, my dog's barking. I'm not exactly sure how many weeks of this you get, but it looks like it's a decent amount. Because each week is on 2 pages. And yeah. And then this is the little card, and then it says, love yourself. So overall, I think it's definitely a great box. Sorry, probably hear my dog's barking in the background. It's a great box. Overall, it's $38. That includes the box and shipping, so definitely a great value, great price. Yeah, I definitely am glad that I'm subscribed. And yep, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.